Alright, so since we have set up our text style, so as you can see in the annotation panel, we have our text style as KY floor plan with some custom font and style and all those. So let's insert some text to our floor plan like living room or bathroom or bedroom, something like that. Now we can add text using two different options in AutoCAD. So the first one is single line and the other one is multi-line. Let's start with the single line. So let's select single line and it will ask you to specify the start point of the text. So let's say I click here and that's the starting point for my text, and next thing that it will ask is to specify the height of my text. So let's say I'm going for 12 inches height and we don't want any rotation, so I will make sure that the angle is 0 and click somewhere here. As soon as you do that, your text will start to blink, and here you can type in, let's say, living room. Once you are done with that, you can press escape to get out of the text. Now if when we select it, you get a handle, so you can easily move it around your floor plan or around your drawing. Now let's see what the multi-line text is. So if I come to text annotation and select multi-line text, you'll see a crosshead with ABC written, and it will ask you again for the first corner. So let's say here, and then when I drag my mouse, a window type of selection is going on. So let's click to specify the second end, and as soon as you do that, you will see a ruler with the blinking cursor option where we need to type in our text. So let's say I will type in bedroom, and then if we want to get out of it, we can either close the text editor from here or click somewhere out of the ruler, right? So you can see basically there is difference between both the text option. In the multi-line text, we have more controls with the height and width. So basically we can change the height and width using these control points, and in the single line text we don't usually get those options, right? The other thing that we can do in text is, if I select it, right click, go to properties of my text, I can basically give it justification. So let's say I want it center, I can go for middle, I can give it middle left, or I can assign different justification to my text. Now if we go for multi-text editor, all we have to do is double click on it and you will be uh, into the multi-line editor. Now in the multi-line editor you get a justification itself where you can change its justification just like the single text, right? And once you are done with that, you can close the text editor. Now the one of the important feature of multi-line text is you can add frame to your text. Now by frame, what I mean is, if I select it, right click, go for properties, in the properties itself, in the text column, we see an option for adding text frame. So let's switch it to yes, and yeah, there you go, you have a frame for your text right over here. But in the single line text, we don't have the option to add a frame, right? So that's where the multi-line text are more advanced option in case if you are looking for some advanced features with your text, right? Now we can simply click it, we can, let's say, copy it from anywhere. Let's say I want to copy it from here, I can paste it here, here, anywhere, right? Once you're done with that, press escape, and then you can move it to your desired location. Select it, grab it, right? That's how you can add text to your drawing in AutoCAD.